now we're approaching Stadion Narodowy, otherwise known as the National Stadium of Poland. Check it out. So now we're just heading into the city center, and we're gonna cross the river that divides Warsaw pretty much in half, called the Wisła, which is really close to the stadium as well. So we're just walk across the bridge, and you can and you'll get a good view of the city walking in when we cross the bridge. Warsaw is definitely a beautiful and very large city. There's plenty of things to do, but I think I personally love the jungle or the forest life much better than the big city life. But everyone picks what they love. Whether it be by car, by bus, by tram. Bicycle, by scooter, or walking like I chose to do today. You can find many different types of transportation to get around. Later on, we're going to take the metro as well, so you can see what that looks like. Let's keep going. Even though Warsaw as a city is very large and very densely populated, you can still find many different types of parks all around Warsaw if you want to get a little bit of break in the city and get some scenery and check out some greenery. Check this out. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. So on my way into the city, I came across the Museum of the Polish Military. Some cool things to check out here, so let's take a look. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Lots of history, lots of cool views. I really enjoyed that. Let's keep going. All right, I can see we're getting much closer to our target. From the distance, you'll be able to see the Pałac Kultury, and that's basically where we're heading. Pretty much the city center of all of Warsaw, where you'll find the central station, and that'll take you pretty much anywhere you need to go in the city and beyond. Let's take a look and see what it looks like from now. We're gonna get closer, so I'll show you guys around there when we get closer as well. Late winter, early spring, and you got a palm tree growing in the center of Warsaw. It's like my two homes have collided. It does get quite loudy here. All right, took care of business, all formalities out of the way. Now let's go explore some more. Strange, I just got stopped by the police back here for a routine drug and control and terrorism, but whatever, checked my ID and let me go. So now we're in front of the Pałac Kultury, and which is like the place of cultural and education. So let's go take a look. So before we go in and do some shopping, I'm gonna just stop at the central station, check out train tickets for our ride home, and yeah, we'll continue going after that. shopping from now. We're gonna go back through the central station and take the metro and head to another shopping center that's in the other part of town. Alright, that's enough shopping for one day. Let's head back to the city center, grab a bite to eat, and then head back home on the train.
Next station, Central. Convenience change to suburban and long-distance train.
Alright, so we're gonna pass a police control point probably. I've gotten stopped there 2 times and searched, so we'll see if the overbearing Polish police is gonna make it a 3rd time. All right, let's make sure we go their way so we don't miss them. They've changed spots because I don't see them, but we're gonna go take a look. Unfortunately, no luck. They're gone now. But knowing my luck, and I guess it's because of the way I look, judging by the way I look, they wanted to profile me and check me out 2 times. So maybe someone else will catch me along the way.